how to set up SPF and DKIM records for MailChimp. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can set up SPF and DKIM records for MailChimp. Okay, and for the first thing to note is that for you to be able to set up SPF and DKIM for MailChimp, you have to ensure that your account has been verified. That is, your domain has been verified. All right, without verifying your domain, you cannot go ahead to set up this record. How do you ensure that your domain has been verified? The first thing to do is to log in into your MailChimp account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in into your MailChimp account, you navigate to your profile icon located by the right side of the screen. And then you click on it. Once you click on it, in the drop down menu that appears to you, select account and billing. Yes, account and billing. Once you click on that, you'll be directed to the account settings page, the account page specifically. And then you on this page you will see your business name, and then you will see a menu. Select settings. When you select settings, sorry, not settings, you select domains. Yes, domains, because you're trying to verify our domain, yes, just click on domains. Once you click on that, you'll see email domains, your email domains control how your email are sent through MailChimp. Verifying and authenticating your domain helps your ad work get to your customers' inboxes. Note that if you do not verify or add a domain, you will not be able to send an email to your customers. So just go ahead and click on add and verify domain. So you have to input the email address that contains your domain. That is the domain that you want to verify, right? So I'll be typing in the email address now. Just follow through the processes. Then once you're done, click on send verification email. Okay, there's a mistake here. Okay, send verification email. Sorry, domain for free cannot be added. Okay. Now I did not have a custom domain. That's why this is coming up. But for you, ensure you have a custom domain. And then once you go ahead and you include the email address that has the domain, go ahead, verify it. The verification email will be sent. Check your email, click on the link, and then once it has been verified, you can then go ahead to set up your SPF. To set up your SPF and DKIM on domain is also known as domain authentication or authenticate your domain. Authenticating a domain for MailChimp means that you as a domain owner administrator has authorized MailChimp to send emails on behalf of that particular domain, that is the domain of yours. I hope that is clear. So for you to do this, just click on the highlighted authenticate button of your domain on the domains page. Now this um authenticate button of your domain on the domains page will be visible after you have added and you verified your domain. Currently, I have not added and I have not verified my domain. That is why the option is not here. But after you've added and verified your domain, you'll see the authenticate domain, and then a modal that contains both SPF and DKIM settings would appear. After it has appeared, you need to create a new SPF record or update your existing SPF record or your domain. If you have no SPF record on your domain, just go ahead and publish the following SPF record on it. But if you already have an SPF record, simply insert um, include servers mcsv.net right before the terminating mechanism in that record, and then you can just go ahead and set up your SPF. For DKIM, you need to create two CNAME records, that is your domain key dot domain name dot com, and then a list of a list of instructions will be displayed on the screen for you. Just go ahead, follow the instructions, and you'll be able to set up your SPF and DKIM records. Like I said, it is very simple. Very simple. Don't be worked up about it. Just follow the instructions displayed on your screen and you'll be able to set up these records. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.